This man thought reincarnation meant peace. He wished for solitude and farmland. The gods granted him immunity to poison and a universal tool. He slept in a tree hollow, cleared forests, never tired. He built a toilet with all the bells and whistles, privacy needed. Then came unstoppable crops, sprouting overnight from just a thought. But one surprise hopped in. He whacked a rabbit, turning its head to dirt. Wild, right? After a hearty meal, Kevin fenced his land, dug a trench, and built a simple house. Days later, he found 2 injured wolves outside. Sensing no threat, Kevin fed them leftover wild boar mite. Then, one wolf was about to give birth. He gave up his house for them, lit a fire by the door, and went back to the tree hollow for the night. By morning, 4 wolf pups arrived. Even with these new friends, Kevin felt something missing. What's next for his peaceful life?